Okay, hi everyone, NerdyPunkDev here. I'm back, and I'm really happy to be back streaming. I had been taking a couple days to solve some stuff, some personal stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy to be back streaming, and I'll be back with the normal schedule, which is the one that I have on Twitch. I really don't know which hour it is where you live, but I will be starting at 6 a.m. For the moment, maybe I'm gonna start earlier on next week, but currently I will be starting at this time. Today I will only be streaming. If you're watching currently live, I will only be streaming for 2 hours today because, well, I live in a country where sometimes we get power cuts. So yeah, there's a power cut in 2 hours from now. And yeah, just to give a bit of context, I will be mentioning that through the live stream for anyone that joins the stream. And maybe the power cut is earlier than I think. So if I just lose my connection for no reason at all, yeah, there's that. So yeah, let's start. So let me just fire up the last thing that we were doing. So if you're watching, let me know that you're watching. Let me know any ideas, any opinions, any input that you have regarding whichever thing that I'm working on the game. So today I wanna start cleaning up some stuff so I can start working in a better way on the puzzles. So yeah, let me go and clean up some of this stuff. So if you're watching, let me know wherever you're watching. Remember that I will be live streaming on Twitch. I'm also live streaming on YouTube. I'm also live streaming on Kick and on X dash Twitter. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I will be checking out the comments today. This is not a deep work session. So yeah, let me see. So I will be explaining. Yeah, maybe I should explain, give a bit of context on how this works. So yeah, we've got this. So let me just show you what is the reference of where is this coming from. These ideas for this. I just forgot the name of that game. I'm just having my brain just disconnected. Okay, so let me just remember the name of this game off screen. Yeah, for some reason I just forgot it. Yeah, Uncharted. I forgot the name of Uncharted. How lame. Okay, so I remember there was an Uncharted puzzle floor puzzle. Yeah, this one. Ah, there's another one. Oh yeah, but yeah, the main reference that where I got the idea to make this type of floor puzzles was this type of puzzle that I saw in Uncharted. So this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, the main difference is that sometimes, yeah, I will be using some symbols on the ground, on the squares, the buttons, that the panels that you can press. Sometimes not. So there could be reference to the solution of the puzzles in any other place. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so if you were wondering how did I come up with this, yeah, this is one of the references, and the other one, which is the one that I like the most, is we've got a a new follower, Art with Brandas. Thanks for following me on Twitch. Really appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, so let me get back here. So yeah, these are the panels, and the panels, all of the panels can be pressed. So yeah, here we've got all of the panels set. Do I have the set initial location? Yeah, I've got this function, which may be a bit messy. Okay, so our friend Art with Brenda says, how am I doing? I'm doing great, Art with Brenda. I'm doing great, feeling inspired today, feeling with a punch of energy today. I had not been streaming the last couple days because I had to deal with some stuff, but I'm back. Really stoked to be back, and we'll be streaming for 2 hours today. I really wanted to stream longer, but there will be a power cut where I live, so yeah, there's that. I'm coming back tomorrow for longer. So yeah, doing great. Thanks for asking, really appreciate it. So this is the function that sets the initial locations of each of these buttons. Okay, of each of these panels. Okay, so our friend Art with Brenda says, good to hear you're well, and good to see you're quite happy. What is the secret behind this? So really nice question, but I would like you to tell me, to be a bit more specific to what is the secret behind working with Unreal Engine or being happy. I wanna know, what are you referring to specifically? Okay, so let me know. So if anyone's watching, currently our friend Art Brenda is on Twitch. I'm reading these comments on Twitch, so if you want to see the conversation, you can go into Twitch, or I will be reading out loud any comments on the chat. So yeah, let me know, Art with Brenda, what are you referring to specifically? Are you referring to, am I quite happy? What is the secret behind that? Or what is the secret behind working with Unreal Engine? Let me know. So let me just give a bit of context of what's happening here. So yeah, all of this animates, in the start, animates the pressing of each of the buttons. Yeah. So some of the buttons do not get, so our friend Art with Brand is answering. I will be reading your answer, and let me just hit play here. I'm just gonna hit play here just to give a bit of context of what is happening. Okay, so we're walking around. This is the world that I've been building live on stream. This is not the main world, the main map where you start in Spaceman Memories, but I wanted to build a game world from scratch. So yeah, I didn't work off stream on this world. I have been working on the other one, but I wanted to keep some consistency of where I left last week on stream, and don't get the things that different. Okay, so I'm gonna show up what happens here. So whenever I get inside the space of one of these panels, of these puzzle panels, the camera changes. If I get off that space, the camera gets back to the player. Okay, so yeah, when I get in, there's a collider that changes the camera first and foremost, and there are some panels which I cannot press. Some of these panels aren't animated, they aren't set to being pressed. So see, one of those was set to being pressed, and there are some panels which are like traps that reset everything. I may set all of the panels that do not solve the puzzle as traps to reset the puzzle. I may just set some of those. Okay, so our friend Art with Brenda says you speak with so much energy. Thank you very much. And I love having you speak to me from your talking style. It seems like I am talking to a professional streamer. Oh, thank you very much, Art with Brenda. I really appreciate it. And I would say that I'm not a professional streamer. I just started, just to give you a bit of context, I just started streaming my game development just last week. Yeah, last Tuesday. It's just been 1 week after I started streaming, and I could tell you that there's no secret. I would say that the secret is it takes a bit of time. It takes practice. Maybe I just started streaming on Twitch and on YouTube, but I've been making I've been having a bit of experience in a couple stuff, and what I would say to you is that just start doing anything. I started a couple years ago giving online classes, online coding classes to kids. Yeah, I had a startup in which I gave online coding classes to kids and from all of Latin America, and this helped me a lot with my talking on a microphone and on a camera. I also started making videos, uploading them to YouTube. Before that, I also had another project in which I always had to be talking. So I would say that it's not much of a secret. It's more about having traction and just doing it for a couple years, months, weeks, whatever, and it's just going to come natural to you. So yeah, maybe that's I really appreciate it. I really didn't saw myself as someone that had that kind of energy and that I look like a professional streamer, as you're saying. So I really appreciate you saying that. But I would say that the secret is to not be afraid of any slip ups of failing. You should be really sure that you're gonna be failing and doing slip ups and any type of errors, and the way of getting more security or more, what is the correct word, the way of getting more feeling better about yourself is just putting in the hours. I would say that is the secret, because yeah, maybe I just started streaming the game development just like a week ago, but I've been talking in front of a camera and a microphone for a couple years now, so that's why I don't get nervous. And I have this kind of energy that you say, but I'm also very happy to it. The life is good, things are going well, and I'm just trying to enjoy the moment and having the pleasure and the blessing of making games. I'm just happy about that. So yeah, I would say that is the secret. Just put in the hours. Do I just do that or play any games? I'm trying to be disciplined, and so I will just be live streaming game development with Unreal Engine. Yeah, because in the past, like a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, I also started live streaming, and on my sloppy days I said, well, today I'm gonna stream, but I'm gonna be playing, and I didn't make progress on the game development or the coding or any of that stuff. So for now, I will only be live streaming game development. Yeah. So yeah, answering your question again, the secret is just putting the hours. eventually you're not gonna be nervous. You're gonna talk more naturally, and yeah, it's gonna come in an easier way to you. The thing of live streaming, it's just a thing of practice, and don't be afraid to fail. You're gonna fail. Everyone's gonna fail at the beginning. I've been failing for this past week. I've been making lots of errors on the streaming. I've been making slip ups on the coding stuff, on Unreal Engine. I've been slipping up on my talking, and yeah, I really don't care. When you stop caring about that other stuff, things just come naturally. So let me know if that answered your question, or you have any other question. So yeah, as I was saying, some of the panels can get pressed, and this is what happens in each of the panels. So each of the panels has its own collider. Okay, see, and in Unreal Engine blueprints, if you use Unreal Engine, you know that each of these collisions has events. So each of these ones has its own event that triggers the animation of going down and changing color and everything, and also the ones of going up. And how do I know what is what here? Okay, so also here's the camera. This is the camera to which we transition when we go closer to the panels, and this is the colliding zone, which triggers the camera whenever we get closer. So I'm just gonna fix up some of this stuff. I've been feeling that some of these colliders are all of the colliders are way too big. So I'm pressing the panels. The panels are being triggered from places that I do not want. I do not like. So I'm gonna show what is happening and what I'm gonna be fixing right now. Okay, so let me just go up there. Okay, so our friend Art with Brenda says, I'll try to watch your streams because your stream is so enjoyable. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for that. I'm really honored of all your kind words, and come and hanging out on the stream and subscribing, following me on Twitch. Really appreciate it. I enjoy this type of company, and I hope you keep enjoying and learning about the small knowledge that I have in Unreal Engine. I'm not an expert, but I'm trying to share the process of making games as a solo game developer, and I should hope that you learn anything from the things that I'm gonna be streaming. So really appreciate it, Art with Brenda. If you're also a streamer, or one of these days you start streaming, I will be making sure to start watching your work. So let me ask you something regarding your username. Are you an artist? Do you draw? That's why it's called Art with Brenda. So as you can see, some of these panels get triggered from places that I do not want them to be triggered, like this. If I just get just a bit close to the edge, the button gets pressed. That shouldn't happen, and that is because the collider is too big. So I should make them smaller. See, that shouldn't happen. I should be on the button. I should be on the panel. I should be on top of it for that to happen. So I'm gonna be fixing those colliders one by one. Yeah, one by one, definitely. So let me see what should be the right size for this. Yeah, maybe this. So scale. Let me copy this. Yeah, I don't mind. You can ask anything you want, Art Brenda. If I have the answer to it, I will give you an answer. If I don't know the answer, I will certainly tell you. So yeah, shoot. Okay, so let me see if this fixes a bit of that issue. Let me go back. So I should be moving one of these puzzles or that specific puzzle closer. I have been working on the music of Spaceman Memories. I want to stream some of that. I will not be streaming music composition on the regular schedule. I should be setting up a new schedule just for music, and because I have to set up my other computer, the Mac Mini, just for the music, because I'm using Logic Pro, which is exclusive to Mac OS. But I will be live streaming the music composition process. So let me see if this fixes that problem. Let me just press the side of it. Yeah, nothing's happening. I think this fixes that issue. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna reset it. Let me see. Nah, that shouldn't be happening. Yeah, go ahead, Artworth Brenda. You can ask whichever question you have in mind. Go ahead. I'd be happy to answer. So yeah, this is still too big. Should make it thinner from here. Maybe something like that. Maybe a bit too thin. Maybe not. You should remember that the character the player has okay, so let me just see something here. BP character player. No, I should just go and find the folder. So the character has a capsule. Yeah, it has this capsule, and this is what is really colliding into anything else. It's the whole capsule, not only the sprite. So our friend Art with Brenda says, okay, so I'm reading your comment on the chat, and she says, I'm a skilled graphic designer. If don't mind, may I show you my work? You just see my work and offer me some feedback. Yeah, I'd be happy to. Just to give you a bit of context, this isn't making games. Wasn't my main profession. Before making games, what I studied after high school was graphic design. I've been a graphic designer, yeah, for a couple years now, and that has been my profession, my means of work and getting money. Yeah, being a graphic designer. So if I can help you with anything, with your work, offering some feedback, I'd be really happy to. If you want to send any of your work over, you can send it up to my email. I'm gonna this, let me see. Yeah, this is my email. You can send any of your work or questions or suggestions or opinions to my email if you're watching. It's whatsup@nerdypunk.dev. I'm constantly checking it out. I was using it just last week with one of our friends here on the stream, which was also asking me for some feedback. So I'm not an expert in everything, but if I can help you with something, I will help you. If I cannot, I will tell you that I'm not able to help you. So yeah, just send any of your work. I'd be happy to give any feedback that you have. It's really cool that you're also a graphic designer. So yeah, we come from we game developers, especially indie game developers. We come from many backgrounds, many contexts, and that's my background, that's my context. I'm a graphic designer turned game developer. I've always loved games. I've always been interested in learning coding, so that's why I started making games and learning the process of it. Yeah, I also have a Discord. You can find it on my website, nerdypunk.dev, and my username is nerdypunkdev. So you can add me as a friend. You can go onto my server, or you can, if you have something in private for your feedback on your graphic design work, just let me know. So let me see if this fixes it. Yeah, this fixes it. See? So now I'm not able to go on the panel if I'm not on top of it. Yeah, I'm not able to trigger it from the sides, only if I'm on top of it. So yeah, this works. Okay, so let me go back here. I'm gonna be setting all of these colliders to that. Yeah, I've been meaning to fix this thing about the button collision and button collision paste. I've been meaning to fix this for a couple weeks. I had realized that I was able to collide with the panels without being on top of them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just fixing up some stuff here today before going into building. So our friend Art with Brenda says, nice. Really glad, really happy to help you. So send me any of your work that you need, any feedback. I will be happy to give you any feedback that I can. So button collision, let me paste it here. Okay, I'm just pasting the, if you're just joining the stream, I'm just fixing the scale of the colliders of each of these panels. There's 25. Yeah, I think there's 25 panels in each of these puzzles. So yeah, it's gonna take me just a bit of more time. I'm almost there. Why am I doing this one by one? Because the thing about blueprints, the blueprint editor here in Unreal Engine, is that for some reason, I don't know, maybe this is a feature, maybe not, maybe this is the way it is designed, you cannot select like in the main map editor. If I press shift on my keyboard and I click on another object, I am creating a multiple selection of stuff. But if I do that inside the blueprint editor, I cannot do that. I don't know if there's a different way of selecting multiple stuff. Yeah, I can do it here on the components panel, but I think it just takes the same amount of time. Yeah, maybe it's easier, maybe not. So our friend Artist Brenda says, you have a Discord, so I send there my work. Yeah, you can send your work there. your work there. Maybe you can, let me check if I have my Discord open. Yeah, I have my Discord open. So if you send the friend request right now, I will accept it. If you go into my server right now, I will be see your any of your messages. So let me check this one. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I should go fix each by each. Just trying to find the collisions. Okay, so is everything fixed? Almost. Yeah, just want to go. And there it is. Okay, so now I shouldn't be able to walk on top or activate the panels if I'm not on top of them. Okay, so let me just check that out again. This is working as intended. So I have been working on the UI of the game. I've been working on the HUD, the heads up display of the game, and I will be adding it on the next few days. I'm aiming to have a trailer for the game in an initial teaser trailer in the next 2 weeks. Yeah, in the next week and a half, in the next 2 weeks, I want to be posting a trailer for Spaceman Memories. So let me just check out the chat. So our friend Arvid Brenda says, yeah, sure, drop here your Discord. Yeah, that's my Discord, NerdyPunkDev, as my username. Yeah, I think Discord isn't using the usernames with names, with numbers anymore. Yeah, that's my username, NerdyPunkDev. Let me just check if everything is working as intended. So if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Twitter, X, or Kick, I've been streaming on Kick just for the sake of it, just because I am able to stream it with Restream on Kick, but I have not been getting any type of views or interactions on Kick. Maybe the category of software development and game development is way too small. So yeah, it has been way too slow on Kick. Haven't been feeling so stoked, so inspired about it, but I've been having lots of fun on Twitch and on Twitter and also on YouTube. I've been having comments on the chat, and I'm always happy to be having a conversation on the stream. So let me see if this fixes it. Yeah, this fixes it. See, if I get from the side or from the top, I should be on the panel to trigger it. Okay, so our friend Arbrit Brenda says, thanks, check your Discord. I sent you a request. Yeah, great. I will check my Discord in a bit. So let me get back into the blueprint. Okay, I just accepted your request. Okay, send me any of your work. Maybe I can give you the feedback on the stream. I will not be showing your work on screen, don't worry. I'm using 2 monitors, so if I'm able to, I will be giving you the feedback right here on stream. If I feel that I should take my time to give you the feedback, I want to look into your work in the best way possible, I will be doing it off stream. So just letting you know that. Okay, so we fixed that, and let me go back into the event graph. And let me just comment some of this stuff. Yeah, should. Timeline, yeah. Okay. So if you're watching, I'm just trying to read again this blueprint. I'm just trying to have a clear picture of how I built this, so I can start editing it again. Okay. Okay, so as I said, each of these buttons has its own number, its own name. So it starts from the bottom here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, until 25. Okay, so I've got everything named here. And here on the event graph, I set the buttons, the panels that trigger the panels that get pressed. I set them here with on component begin overlap with the collision of one of those buttons. So let me show you how that is built. So let's say that I want to add the panel, which would be, let me see, this would be panel number 19. So the last one that I had was this 17? Or no? Yeah, this was 18. Yeah. So this is 19. Yes. So I wanna currently, let me show you in gameplay, the panel 19 isn't getting pressed, isn't getting triggered when you get on top of it. So nothing happens when you get on top of it. Okay, so I'm walking up to the, yeah, I should definitely be moving this puzzle closer to the starting point. So let me show you what's happening. So these are the panels currently that solve the puzzle, and I'm gonna be adding one new panel to the puzzle. Okay, so we start with this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. Nah, not. I thought this one. So then this one, and then this one or this one. Yeah, none of these get activated. So I'm gonna be adding this one to the puzzle. I'm gonna be showing the nodes, the code to show you how this works. just to give a bit of context of what I'm doing. So let me just remember which was the one. Yeah, 18. The panel number 18 is the one that I'm gonna be adding to the puzzle. So with button 18, button collision 18, I will add an event and on component begin overlap. There it is. I will add it down here, and this will do all of this, but with the other panel. How do I do that? I'm just gonna copy and paste this nodes, this code, this execution code. I'm gonna execute it here, and I'm gonna change the variable, the target that I'm using here, and also here. Okay, so which was the one? Yeah, 18. So I'm gonna get the reference. I'm gonna set it here. Gonna get a reference also here. So just explaining a bit of what's happening. I've got this timeline. This timeline is the one that moves the button through time. This is the what I'm using as always. I'm using a lerp, a linear interpolation, which has the starting location and the ending location and moves it. So let me see what happened to the music. Okay. Yeah, there is. We're back with the music. Oh, so our friend Art with Brenda says that I should check out the Discord. Let me see the Discord. Okay, so we're getting the... Yeah, let me just check something here. Seems like the captions are disabled. Are the captions disabled? Here are the Japanese captions working. Let me know if you're watching the stream. Let me know if the Japanese captions were enabled, were activated, and they stopped working. I didn't realize on the beginning of the stream. I was seeing the Unreal Engine stuff. So please let me know that, because most of my if anyone's asking, if any English speaker is asking why am I using these Japanese captions, most of my audience on Twitter, on X, is from Japan. So yeah, that's why I'm using those Japanese captions. Oh, so you've got a lot of work, Art with Brenda. Yeah, I'm seeing the work of our friend Art with Brenda, and you have been working a lot in graphic design. You have a big portfolio. Looks great. I think it looks great. You have a many type of work for like streamers, and I think I saw like a chef and some other stuff. So yeah, I will be giving you feedback off stream, after the stream, because it's a lot of work, and I will be happy to help you with that. So we've got a new comment, our friend Volpir. Oh, I remember you from the comment on the one of the previous videos. So our friend Volpir says, thanks, I'm not able to watch many of your streams live, but I do appreciate them in my own time. Oh, thank you very much, Volpir. Really appreciate your comment. Really appreciate it. I'm really happy that you're here. And yeah, I really appreciate if anyone's watching my streams afterwards. I live stream them, or if you're here hanging out and just chatting, really appreciate it. I'm really happy for both of them. So let me see. Let me just try and fix something here in OBS. For some reason, we're not getting the Japanese captions. Let me see. Let me see if I can fix that. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the live stream today without the Japanese captions, and I would be really sorry about that. Let me see. So Arbor Brenda, if you heard me, I will be looking at all of your work off stream, and I will be giving you any type of feedback that you need off stream, because it's a lot of work and I want to take my time to see it. Okay. Let me see. No. 1, 2, 3. Testing. I'm just trying to test the captions. For some reason, they got disabled. I didn't realize at the beginning of the stream that the captions weren't working. Yeah. The captions don't seem to be working today. Really sorry about that for my Japanese friends. Okay, so yeah, they aren't working. I will be fixing that off stream, and I will be coming back tomorrow with the Japanese captions enabled. So I will continue here. So I've added the panel number 18 to the puzzle, which is this one. Let me just compile this. I'm gonna go and see if that is working. Also, our friend Volpier says, I saw the caption for a split second when you said, let me check to see if they are working, if that helps. Oh, for just a split second. Let me see. Oh, so there's a bar on the stream, right? There's a bar on top of the stream. So let me see. Go and fix that. Okay, so very sorry for trying to fix this on stream. I shouldn't be doing this on stream, but I hadn't realized that they weren't working. So yeah, that they do not seem to be working at all. So yeah, I will not be using them today. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so let me go back into gameplay mode. Let me try that panel. I'm just trying to show how you build the puzzles on this system that I built here on Blueprints. How the puzzle system is going to be built. It's being built. Yeah, how it works. So if you want to build something alike, this is what I'm doing. So let me see if this works. So I get onto the first one. Yes, this is working as intended. Then the third, fourth, then this one. Oh, so the obstacle was removed. I'm gonna fix that later, but I want to see if this works. Okay, there it is. See? So I've added that to the puzzle. This panel is working as intended. But if I get onto one of the traps, see, that panel isn't getting reset. It isn't getting back to its initial position. It's staying pressed. So I gotta go and fix that. So yeah, this trap is resetting the other panels, but not that one. Okay, so let me go and fix that. Okay, so our friend Arbor Brenda says, can we talk on Discord? Because my internet is slow. Yeah, I will be looking into your work off stream, after the stream. So yeah, I will be looking into your work off stream. So don't worry about that. I will be checking the chat on Discord. And our friend Volper, yeah, sent a Japanese message. Let me just check this out. Okay, just give me a bit. Oh, thank you very much, Volper. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Our friend Volper was making sure to send up a message saying that the Japanese subtitles weren't working today. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I just copied the message and placed it on Twitch also. So yeah, really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I will be fixing that and coming back tomorrow with the Japanese captions working tomorrow. So let me just answer to our friend Brenda on the chat. Okay, so we're back. And yeah, I added this one. Let me go back here. This is the panel which I'm working currently. And let me see the event graph. And as you can see, what is missing from the code, the nodes, this isn't code per se. These are more like the scripting, the nodes, the blueprint scripting. What is missing? The thing that is missing is the resetting, and this is the code that resets the panel to its initial position with this reverse. See, that is what the thing that we need for. Let me see, and let me bring that to. Let me add to this sequence. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna add to this sequence. And what is this sequence doing? This sequence just says on component begin overlap whichever of these two panels, which are the traps. These are traps to reset the puzzle or maybe remove health from the player. I will be adding that off stream today or maybe tomorrow on stream. If you don't solve the puzzle in the correct way, you get health removed. Yeah, I will be adding that. If whichever of these happens, if I collide with one of those panels, then blah blah blah, this sequence happens. And this sequence is the one that resets this button and this button and this button and this button, this button, this button, that panel, each of those panels. So if this is true, I'm gonna reverse this. I'm gonna reverse the timeline. Let me go and see if that is working as intended. Okay, so our Francis. Okay, I will be checking my Discord in a bit, Brenda. Just give me a couple minutes. Okay, so let me see if the resetting of the panel is working. I'm really sad today that the Japanese captions aren't working, that the Japanese subtitles aren't working. I didn't realize at the beginning of the stream that they weren't working. So now this works. Now this works. Let me see if this resets everything. Yes, this is working as intended. See? So I can press that panel. This is one of the traps panels. Does that reset it? There it is. Okay, yeah. That is working as intended. See, they go back to their initial position. Okay, so let's get back here. So I've got this. I've got these variables. Fourth button activated. Or yeah, these are booleans. Fifth button activated. Yeah, I should add this one here. Set. Yes. This is the fifth button of the puzzle. So I'm using these booleans to check if certain panels are being pressed. So yeah, let me just see here. Yes, this is getting set. This changes the material. And yeah, as you saw, let me just create a new blueprint. I'm gonna create a new blueprint here. Gonna delete this one. Gonna create a new blueprint, which will just be a placeholder for now. New empty blueprint class. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a an empty blueprint. An actor. Let me see. Overworld. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, blueprint class. This is going to be BP obstacle. Okay, so let me add here a static mesh. Whoa. Box. I just need a box for now. Or a cube? Yeah, one of these cubes. Yeah, this works. So I'm gonna be animating this. This should move to the... It should move down or nah, to the sides. Oh, so we've got our friend Raccoon. Hi Raccoon, thanks for being here. I'm really sorry for the lack of Japanese subtitles today, the Japanese captions today. Okay. Okay, so I was just answering to our friend Raccoon, which is a friend from Japan on YouTube. And I was saying that I'm really sorry that the Japanese captions aren't working today. I really don't know what happened. I will be fixing that afterwards, after the stream. So let me see if this works. Oh, no. This is what we need. Yeah. That's what we need. Okay, so let's imagine that these are two doors, and when I solve the puzzle, they will move to the side. This blueprint will get triggered and it will move to the side. So let's make this taller. Okay, so yeah, that works. Okay, so let's start coding this. Let me create a custom event. Puzzle solved. This is going to be puzzle solved. When the puzzle gets solved, blah blah blah, the animation will happen. Oh, so our friend Raccoon says I can understand what you're saying somehow without subtitle. I'm really happy about that. I would be really sad if you left the stream today because of the lack of subtitles. So I'm really happy that you're here today. Let me know if you have any input regarding the stream, if you have any ideas, any opinions of the game, or if you want to talk about anything about your work or your projects. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the reference of the train code. Yeah, the train code will help me. Yeah, this is what I need. So I'm just gonna create a timeline here. Oh, open door. How long should this take? Maybe this takes 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 seconds. Yeah, maybe the whole opening door animation will take 4 seconds. Yeah, maybe yes, maybe not. Oh, okay. Let me see what this is going to be doing right now. I'm just gonna go building it bit by bit. Yeah. Okay, so I think there it is. This should be working right now. Let me go back into the puzzle. BP obstacle. Obstacle blueprint. Oh, I've got one already. Yes, change variable type. Let's see if there's no errors. Yeah, it compiles, no errors. Object reference. There it is. Get obstacle. What was the name of the event? Puzzle solved. Yeah. There it is. Maybe this is going to take too long right now. Yeah, maybe not. Let me see. Let's see if this works. So currently just one of the sides of the doors will be opening. Also, our friend Artless Brenda is saying, I'm waiting for your response on Discord. I will be checking Discord in a bit. Just give me 1 second. I will be seeing Discord in a bit. Okay, so there it is. Yes, yes, yes. And does this activate that? Nah, that isn't working. Okay. So let me see. What am I doing wrong here? Oh. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I know what's happening here. Yeah, that's what I needed to fix. It should be working now, Raccoon. So yeah, Raccoon was saying not working. Yeah, it wasn't working. It should be working now. I hadn't set up on the details panel the obstacle as the blueprint, which is the one that I'm getting the event, the function that is being executed. So now the door should be getting... Now? No, nothing's happening. Yeah. Yeah, so the error is fixed. But this isn't... Let me see. Open door, play. Is this static? Yeah, this is movable. This is also movable. Let me see. I'm just gonna simulate here. Let's see if this is working. No. No, it isn't working as intended. It isn't moving. New location Y. Yeah, maybe it's on Y. Let me... Oh! Yes. Yes. I know what was happening. There was nothing set on the timeline. Yeah, so nothing was going to happen. Yeah, that was the issue. Yes. Now this should be working. Yeah. Yeah, so see, sometimes you get some of the lamest errors. Time 4. This is going to be 1. And so answering to our friend Brenda, I just saw your message right now. I would say that currently I wouldn't be able to afford any of your work and I make my own graphic design by myself currently. As I told you before, I'm also a graphic designer, so yeah, I would say that for now, I would need something like. I will be looking into all of your work, and I will certainly let you know. I will certainly let you know if there's one specific thing, uh, like what you're showing me. If one of those things, I'd like something like that. So I will certainly let you know on Discord. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your very kind offer. I really appreciate it. I will certainly be looking more into your work off stream and give you a better thought answer. This linear. Nah. Yes. Now it should be working. Ah, there it is. See, now it's moving. But it's not moving in the right axis. So it should go back into the... It should be... X-axis? Yes, X-axis. That's what we wanted, see? See? That's looking nice. That's looking like a cool animation. So let me just duplicate this. Yeah, I'm not gonna be using this one right now. I'm gonna be doing it with a sequence. Yeah, I could do it in a linear way, like placing this and this here, but nah, I think I'm just gonna go with the sequence. So we're up to 1 hour and 13 minutes on the stream. Nice, says our friend Raccoon. Yeah, open sesame. Yeah, exactly. And we're up to 1 hour and 13 minutes, and today I will only be streaming for 2 hours because there's a power cut. There will be a power cut where I live. So yeah, if the stream just stops for whichever reason at all, and it just stops, and I don't tell you that I'm leaving, and I just live by randomly. I just live randomly. It's because the power cut happened. Yeah, so I'm just letting you guys know. So let me see. Puzzle solved. I'm gonna compile this one, and now this should be working as intended. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, so let's see if this works. This should be working now. Okay, so we press this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh, what was happening there? Okay, so we've got an error too. Let me see. Let's go back into the... Oh yeah, this shouldn't be happening there. This should be happening here. Yeah. Okay, so now this should work as intended. Let me just check if the animation is working as it should. So if you're watching, let me know. Yeah, it's working, Raccoon. Now it's working. I'm certain that it's gonna work now. Oh. So it seems to be working. But kinda. Yeah, let me see. Let me see what's happening here. Let me see. I think one of these isn't moving from like the correct. Let me see. Let me just check something here. Relative location. Starting location. Also, our friend Raccoon is saying, is it correct? Event start timing. Yeah, I think the event is being triggered in the right way. But the initial location is the thing that isn't working. Get initial evaluate world position offset. No. No. Yeah, because yeah, the animation works, but I feel that things aren't moving from the right place. Yeah, it is working. Let me see, let me see. I'm just thinking what's happening here. I should use this one as a reference. Starting location. This is a vector. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna use this one as reference. This happened on I'm using this one as a reference because I know that this keeps the panels on the initial position. Set initial locations. Yes, there it is. Okay, so This is what I want. Starting location. Yes. No. Lerp vector. Oh, so this isn't a vector. Let me try this one. Set relative location. Okay, so I'm just thinking right now. If you're watching, let me know on this on the chat on Twitch, YouTube, or anywhere you're watching. Also, the music stopped. Yes, this is the target. Yes, that's it. And what was I doing? It was on X, right? 500 on X. And let me try and do this one here. Let me try and fix both of these now. Okay, so let me see if this is working now. Okay, so if you're watching, thanks for watching. Really, really happy that you're watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm currently working on my own game, Spaceman Memories. This is a 2.5D pixel art game made with Unreal Engine. This is a JRPG. This is turn-based game, also with some puzzles on the world. Okay, so this gets triggered. This gets triggered. Then this one, and then this one. Oh, so something's happening now. It isn't working as I wanted. Let's see. I'm gonna turn all of this into a function. I'm just trying to debug here to see what's happening. Oh, okay. So that's happening. Okay, so our friend Raccoon is saying, when will I sell this game? I want it. That is a very hard question to answer, Raccoon. I would really like to finish Spaceman Memories, and I really don't have a clear answer to that question yet. I will certainly have a working demo this year, but I wouldn't know because I wanna join the Steam Next Fest. Yeah, I wanna be part of the Steam Next Fest, and I need a demo, so I will certainly be having a free demo. But I really don't know when I'm gonna finish the whole game. Yeah, yeah, this is the solo game development thing. You, I would really like to make more progress, but yeah, it is what it is. Thanks for asking, dude. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate that you're interested on the game. Really appreciate that you want to play the game. But I wouldn't want to give you a specific date, because maybe I would be lying. No, I think let's get back to the previous version of what I had. Maybe just for the sake of of the the stream, let's just leave this one with one mesh, and it should move to the... Oh, what's happened there? Oh yeah, definitely. Let's set the door opening down. Yeah, let me see, just for the sake of seeing this work, like the puzzle getting solved. We're gonna be fixing the thing with the two doors opening the animation later. Oh no. No, that isn't what should be happening. So maybe minus 500. Yes, maybe not. Yeah, that should work. Or maybe it's too much. Minus 250 maybe. So the door gets triggered and the obstacle moves down. No, just a bit more. So minus 300 on the Z axis. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, that works. Oh, so we're having the same issue. This is getting... Oh, so our friend Raccoon says, no need to rush. I will wait you to finish the game. Really appreciate it, dude. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate this type of support and this type of faith in my process. And I really thank you about that. I have also been seeing you on Twitter, on X. So I really appreciate you following me there also. And coming to watch the stream here on YouTube too. So let me think to I just want to see what's happening here. So this is working with the train, right? The train isn't having this issue. Yeah. It's exactly what I'm doing with the train. So I'm just trying to replicate that type of movement. Yeah, I can't seem to grasp why this isn't working as intended. This should be very simple. So I'm very sorry for my noob brain. Yeah, I'm just thinking. I really don't know why this isn't working as the train. Yeah, who knows? I'm gonna be fixing that off stream. I'm gonna be putting my mind into that. So yeah. See, the train is working as intended. It starts, it moves, and the starting point is where I left it. Okay, yes, this was it. How stupid of myself. This was it. Yes. Sometimes you just make some of the stupidest and lamest errors. Also, I will be checking my Discord again, Brenda. Yeah, I gave you a response on the live stream. I will be giving you a response on the chat, okay? Oh yeah. Thanks for reminding me. Okay, so Brenda, I just answered you on the Discord chat. So yeah, the thing that was happening is that the mesh location wasn't set at 0, and I'm starting from 0 here. So let me show you that. No, I'm not gonna show that. So now it's working as intended. See, there it is. That was what was happening. So let me see if I can do it again as I wanted, like the 2 doors opening to the sides. Yeah, because I wasn't doing it that way because this is such a lame bug, which is my fault. It has nothing to do with Unreal Engine. This was completely my fault. Yeah, so sorry. I'm really sorry for my stupid brain. I'm gonna close up this one. Gonna duplicate this one. And let me see. So minus 130. So how should I set this one to start there? Yeah, I should set a vector here. Let me try that. Okay, so this one is working. Okay, so there it is. That one is working as intended. No. Okay. Yeah, I just checked the Discord, Brenda. I just gave you a response. Please kindly check it out. Okay. So yes, this one. Is this on X? Yeah, I think this is on X. Okay. Am I animating on the X-axis? Yes, the X-axis. This one should be minus 300. No. No, 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 no. So let me check this. This one is working as intended. Oh, yes, this is static mesh 1. This should be static mesh 2. Oh, okay. It is moving. And this one should be 300. No. I thought that it was gonna move to the other side. Oh, so I'm just answering the chat in Discord. Just give me a minute. Okay. So I'm having a bit of allergies. Oh, so our friend Raccoon says, sorry, Tulio. Yeah, that's my name. If you didn't know, it's not NerdyPunkDev. That's my real name. Sorry, Tulio. I gotta go to bed. See you. Bye, Raccoon. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you have a nice rest and hope to see you one of these other days on this back on the stream. Thanks a lot for hanging out. We'll see you later. Have a great day. Have a great night. Yeah, you're in Japan, so have a great night and have a great rest. Bye bye, Raccoon. Oh, so we've got a new subscriber. Thanks for subscribing. Let me see. Oh, we've got a new comment. This is my sister. Nice content. Thanks for watching. My beautiful, beautiful sister. Yeah, my sisters are always supporting my crazy work. So I'm really happy to have her here. Let me see. Let me see. I'm trying to work this out. Why is that one moving? That one shouldn't be moving. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me open up the train again. No, the blueprints. This one. This is what I need. I need to replicate this over there. Starting location. Yes. Let's do the starting location thing again. Get static mesh. Get relative location. Okay, starting location. Ending offset. Okay, so let's see if this works. Nah, not working yet. Taking too much time on these lame animations. Should have solved this faster. So this is getting starting locations. Let me try this. And there's an ending offset. Which is the ending offset? Oh, okay. Let me see. So this minus this. Okay, so let's try that. Okay. This minus should do the same thing. This on X. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's moving. It isn't moving as it should. Nah. It isn't working as intended. Definitely not working as intended. Why is this happening? I'm just trying to think. So I'm using the initial location. This is Smash 2. Let me copy this. No. What did I do there? Let me see. Oh. Now it's... Is it working? Minus 300. And in location should be maybe this. No. Oh, this is a negative. Yes. Yeah, this is a negative, and I'm doing the subtraction there. Oh, there it is. Now we're talking. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Now it's working. Yes. Let's replicate it here. So I'm gonna create an initial location of the other one. Duplicate initial location. Yeah, 0. This one will be 0. And yes. Now this is working as I wanted. Yeah, it was definitely with LERP, with a linear interpolation, the vector node version, not the normal one, the regular one. Yes. This one will be an add. So this let me see if this is working. Oh no, it isn't. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. Nah, not working yet. Oh, yes. So yeah, you when you're on live stream, sometimes you just make some of the stupidest, lamest errors. See, there it is. That's what I've been wanting for a couple minutes. Yeah, now it's working as intended. Definitely. Yeah, beautiful animation. Yeah. That's what we wanted. Oh, I'm really sad that our friend Raccoon left and this wasn't working. But now it's working. Yes, the doors are opening as intended. Okay, let's connect this to the puzzle. Okay, so I'm up to 1 hour and 57 minutes. Oh, so at any moment, my stream is going to end. Yeah, I'm gonna get a power cut where I'm living. So I will be ending the stream right here with this door animation that gets happens when the puzzle gets solved. Okay, so if you're watching, thanks for watching. If you're from Japan and you were watching without the Japanese captions, the subtitles, I'm very sorry for that. I will certainly will be fixing that for tomorrow. I'm coming back tomorrow for a longer stream. This was a short stream because of the power cut that I said, but I will be coming back tomorrow, and let's see if this works. Yes, and the puzzle gets solved, and there it is, the door. The animation works as intended, and we can cross to the other side. Okay, so that was all of today's stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing. I had a lot of fun today. I will be coming tomorrow. I want to show how the combat system works. So yeah, I will be showing that in the upcoming streams. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye bye. Have a great day.